How's it going, everyone? Mike here. September 3rd, Merch by Amazon sales update. Another incredible day. And as I'm saying that, I just remember myself actually saying that more often over the last couple of weeks, which is amazing. That's exactly where I want to be. I'm going to dive into these numbers, and then we'll talk about some of the trends, some of the averages and things that I've noticed. So 14 sales. This is the US market. 14 sales, $263.86 in sales, and $60.30 in royalties. Another really nice number is this one here. $4.30 is the total for royalties per sale, and that's thanks to some of the best sellers actually having a really nice royalty percentage or a profit percentage. And even though I've been uploading a lot of products at lower prices recently, the products that I've uploaded over the years have actually had a pretty solid profit margin. And then that's what happens when some of those actually sell more than anything else. The products that have been selling are basically, the top sellers, and then a combination of newer, and then, some products that I've uploaded even months ago. And I'm talking like 6-7 months ago. So anyways, there's basically a mix of all kinds of products that are selling, and it's perfect. Total number of sales, 16. So I had those 14 in the US, 1 in the UK, 1 in Germany. So that's again really nice. What I was looking at before I started recording this is this month so far, and right now I'm sitting at 40 sales in total. So basically most of them are US sales, but this actually compares, and not that this information is kind of a giveaway or anything like that, but it's I like to compare the previous month. So sitting at 40 and then looking at the first 4 days, where are we, of last month, which is August, there's a difference of 6 at this point, and today's not even over yet. I'm recording this in, let's say, in the evening of the 4th. So right now I'm actually sitting at a very solid number of 40, and then I'm sneaking up to, not really, but like getting close to $200 in, or let's say 150, 160. Okay, let's say 160. So that's really nice. And the other thing that I really like, and this is, again, I've been mentioning this more often than let's say even a month or two ago, is I'm getting the $50, $60, $70 days in profits, which is amazing, right? And then the other thing that I've noticed is the 7-day average has probably increased by about 15 to 20 in total over the last, I would say, 3 weeks. So right now, for example, the 5 and 6 are the low days, and then the average is about 8, 9, 10, and then I have been having these days with 15, 16 sales more often than I would say ever before. Probably a couple of years ago, but maybe like 2019. The other thing that I was looking at is no, I think that's about it, because I was looking at the upload numbers. I still, like, even right now I'm running the automation tool in the background. So right now my designs are being uploaded, and besides that, like, another incredible day. So nothing more to say. I think I'm gonna wrap it up here, just because, like I said, I've gone over the numbers. But I'm really looking forward to this month, especially next month, and then we're getting into the interesting time of the year, and who knows what will happen. So anyways, very exciting for now. I'll leave it here. I'll talk to you guys soon.